welcome. Morning class 3. Welcome to computer class. I am your teacher Nitesh. So this is our first video for class 3. Today we read computer chapter number 1. So the first topic is, what is a computer? Computer, man-made, programmable, electronic machine that can be stored, retrieved and process the data to give the set of instruction. For that means where computer is a man-made machine. Computer is a man-made machine because computer made by the humans. कंप्यूटर कौन बनाता है? ह्यूमंस बनाता है. और ये क्या करता है? डेटा को लेता है, उसको प्रोसेस करता है और आउटपुट देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल ये इनपुट में हमारे कीबोर्ड और माउस से एक नंबर लिया, प्रोसेस में उसको जोड़ दिया और आउटपुट में हमको दिखा दिया. ओके, जस्ट लाइक अ ह्यूमन देयर इज सो मेनी थिंग्स आर सिमिलर. लाइक अ इनपुट, ह्यूमन हैव द आइज एंड ईयर फॉर द इनपुट. Processor, he also have the CPU as his processor and human have the brain of his processor. Output, he have the monitor and printer at his output and human have the voice and written habits. For example, मैं मुंह से जो बोल रहा हूँ वो आउटपुट है और हाथ से जो लिखूंगा वो भी आउटपुट कहलाएगा. आँख से जो देखूंगा वो इनपुट कहलाएगा और ब्रेन में जो सोचूंगा वो प्रोसेस कहलाएगा. ओके, द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. The second topic. A system is the collection of elements that work together to achieve a common object. So, computer system is a combination of so many things: hardware, software, and the liveware, because they have to work together for a common goal. हम लोग को एक कॉमन गोल के लिए सबको मिल के काम करना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या आप आंख बंद करके लिख सकते हो? नहीं. सो दैट्स वाई हमारे आँखों को और हाथ को हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए, तो ही हम लिख सकते हैं. इसी तरह से कंप्यूटर में भी हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए, तभी वो चलेगा. बिना सॉफ्टवेयर के हार्डवेयर किसी काम का नहीं, बिना हार्डवेयर के सॉफ्टवेयर किसी काम का नहीं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज अ कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर? द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर नॉन एज हार्डवेयर. ओके, for example, system unit, mouse, keyboard, monitor. There is so many type of hardware which we use in our daily life. Okay, so hardware is a physical component जिसको हम लोग छू सके या देख सके, जो एक कंप्यूटर का पार्ट हो, उसको हम लोग कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर कहेंगे. Okay, I am talking about the computer hardware. I am not talking about the other hardware. There are so many other hardware also, but I am talking about the computer hardware. Okay, now we move forward. Computer software, collection of program or the applications which contains the instruction that make the computer work. Okay, a collection of program. For example, what is your daily routine? Wake up at morning, go brush your teeth. So that's why the computer also have his programming unit. He told us a step-wise instruction. For example, if we want to run the paint program, so what we have to do first? First we have to start the computer, then take our mouse, then click on the paint program, then the paint is open up. So that is the way a set of instruction for doing a work. So computer also have a set of instruction for doing a work. Okay, there is some software example also given here: Windows XP, MS Word, Java, AVG. Okay, so these are the example of softwares. Now some hardware category also. Hardware must be categorized in so many category. Okay, for example, processing unit, memory unit, input devices, output devices, storage devices, communication devices. Processing devices means our CPUs or processor. Memory unit, RAM, ROM, it's internal, but if you want the secondary memory devices, it's hard disk, CD, DVD. Input devices, keyboard, mouse. Now some storage devices also we have. The memory located where used to store the data and information. The memory where we store the data and information is known as the storage devices. For example, CD, hard disk, DVD. Why we store the device? Why we store the data? For the future use. We store our data for the future use. If we not store the data, how can we use it? अगर हमारे लिए कोई किताब नहीं लिखेगा तो हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे? ओके, सो दिस इज द सेम थिंग. अगर कोई डेटा स्टोर करके नहीं रखेगा तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो हुआ भी था? For example, your fee, you pay your fee, but if the school is not mention the record of paying your fee, then how can you prove you pay the fee? Okay, so that is the same way. Input device, it is an electronically device that can be used to enter data and instruction to a computer. Input devices are so many pointing device like mouse, keyboard, optical input device, scanner, audio input device, mic, video input device, camera. So there is so many input devices we are using in our daily life. The mouse can be used to control and manipulate the cursor movement on the monitor. Why we use? For example, I am running the mouse on the screen. The same way is actually the same thing the mouse can do. This is the work of a mouse, for click, for doing his work, for movement of mouse, for giving the instruction. Now the type of mouse, mechanical mouse, it's a very older version. Now we are not using, actually no one actually using the mechanical mouse. Optical mouse, the widely used mouse. आज हम सबसे ज़्यादा optical mouse का use कर रहे हैं. In your computer lab, we also use the optical mouse. Okay, this is the optical mouse where the light on the back side of this mouse, and it's have a wire which connected with the CPU. A wireless mouse is the similar to the optical mouse, but they don't have the wire. He used the another or the radio waves for connecting to the computer. Keyboard, a keyboard is the human interface device which is represent the layout of buttons or keys. What is the keyboard? Keyboard used for typing or the human interface when we want to type the letters. Features of keyboard: types, typewriter keyboard with the numeric key. We also have the ABCD with the numeric key. A special purpose key. We also have the delete, shift, page up, page down. There are so many toggle combination of key. As you see in your keyboard, the ABCD is known as similar manner or as a structured manner. ABCD कभी सीधा सीधा नहीं लिखा होता, A कहीं होता है, B कहीं होता है. So it is a toggle case or the combinations keys. Output device are used to receive the information from the computer. Okay. आउटपुट डिवाइस वो होता है जो कंप्यूटर से इंफॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए यूज होता है. जस्ट लाइक अ मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, स्पीकर्स, प्रोजेक्टर्स, दीज आर द आउटपुट डिवाइस. मॉनिटर, a computer monitor or a computer display is an electronic visual display for the computer. A monitor is an electronic visual display. We are generally use the three type of monitor: CRT monitor, LCD monitor and LED monitor. CRT, cathode ray tube. This is the old type monitor. It's just like a old TV which you see at your home, which have a very big in a size. It's called as the CRT monitor. Liquid crystal display monitor, LCD monitor. These are the LCD monitor. It's have the more electricity than the LED monitor. ये ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खाता था LED मॉनिटर के मुकाबले. बाकी दोनों देखने में लगभग सेम ही है. ओके. LED, light emitting diode monitor. These are the light emitting diode monitor. It take the less electricity or eat the less electricity than the LCD monitor. Thank you for watching this video, class 3, and I hope you understand all the things which I want to explain in this video. Thank you for watching.